Beaver Stew Buddies, this is Fetters Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. So today we have a bunch of off-farm work to do. We're gonna hook up to the big trailer. I got to haul a skid loader this morning for somebody. Haul a load of shavings and a load of hay. So we're gonna put some miles on. We're gonna use the truck and trailer. And we still have stuff to do here at the farm, but we got a busy day. So what color are you gonna paint the barn? Gray. Gray? I figured Barbie'd pick some exciting color.
You mean like red?
Yeah. Something loud.
That's not my style.
I guess. Well, it's for Barbie's wedding.
Oh, then I should paint it yellow.
Yeah, something exciting. Go ahead, David. So that John Deere skid loader, it's a little above my weight rating, but truck handles it fine, and it's local. I'm not hauling far, so I'm not. There's a big Amish farm sale today. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody's either going to it, talking about it, or thinking about it. Crazy guys. Like I was saying, now we're done for the morning. I got David's skid loader hauled. We're back home. We got to do chores. Got to get something to eat, and then it's back out on the road, do off farm work, haul loads. Never ends. Trying to run all these businesses and make money and keep your head above water. It all works out in the end, but you just got to keep the faith, I guess. So we ended up actually losing one of the guineas we bought on Sunday. They had pasty butt when we bought them, so I give them the old miracle water, garlic, vinegar, and honey in water solution. And the other ones are coming around. They're getting better, so hopefully we don't lose any more. So hopefully that works out. But we finally caught that other one, so we're back to 8. We have 8 big ones in the chicken tractor. They're doing good. They're doing really well. Hey guys, I got a movie tomorrow, but so once those other ones catch up and get a little bigger and fully feathered out, we'll put them in here with these guys, and hopefully everybody will be friends. So we gotta get them feeding water, but they're getting bigger. Junebug, how are you and all your babies doing? Careful, careful, Mama. Hi, Mama. Why you gotta be that way? Gonna scratch you. Up your belly. You're getting trim. You're looking good, Junebug. Hey, You lost a lot of weight. Look at these little babies, little runts, little sausages. You little cuties. Hey, Junebug. Oh my goodness, Junebug. Give you a scratch. Oh yeah. Give a good pig a scratch. Hey, okay. I'm gonna give you water, and then we'll see you later, Junebug. Okay? Flop you on the hiney. See you, little Vienna sausages. Okay, chores are done. I ate supper. Ate lunch. Sarah made lunch on the grill. Sausages, kielbasa. And now it's back out on the road. Got an extra load got added. Oh, let's go. We'll get after it and get it all done. Load number 1. Number 2. All the shavings. Well, there's full load. 10 skids of shavings. Had to do the local farmer. Get out of the way. So as soon as we're unloaded, we're gonna go get filled up. We need fuel, and then we're gonna head up about half hour north and get some large round bales. Amish guy wants to buy a bunch of them, so he wants a few to get tested and see how his cows like it. I don't know what's so special about it, but he only wants 6, so that's all we're gonna haul. He said, this is load number 4 this afternoon. Big old marshmallows. Baleage, heavy buggers. They're really big and heavy. I told him to 6. Normally I'll do 8, and that's over pushing the boundaries. But man, these are big buggers. So only 6 this load. He can get them tested and get a truckload. I don't care. All right, get out of this lane and get on the road again. Hammer down, big buddy. Well, we're home. Parked in the bush. We got all the loads hauled. We got all our farm work done today. I'm whooped. My butt's numb from sitting in the truck all darn day. Ready for supper. Starving to death. Ugh. My sausages for lunch didn't stretch very far, but I don't know how many miles we drove today, but it was a day. So hopefully Sarah made good supper. She talked about making chicken pot pie, chicken meat pies. It ain't real pot pie. In our world, in the Lycans Valley, central Pennsylvania, chicken pot pie is soup with noodles, homemade noodles, big thick things. So she made chicken meat pies. That's good though too. So, oh well, I'm gonna hook from the trailer and go in and see what Sarah's doing. Maybe chase her around the kitchen. I doubt it. All right, see you next time. See you, love you, bye.